Hello guys! So ngayon may isa-solve tayong isang problem about basic electricity. So we have here the resistance of the copper field winding of a DC machine is 0.2 ohm. After operating for some time, the resistance is found to be 0.23 ohm. Find the operating temperature. So first, let's try to check dun sa mga given natin. So meron daw tayong resistance ng copper field winding na 0.2 ohm. So since dalawa yung resistance natin, before and after operation, so yung 0.2, yun yung gawin nating R1 or R initial, and yung R2 naman natin or yung final resistance is 0.23. So ito na yung resistance natin after operating yung DC machine natin. Okay. So, ang hinahanap ngayon natin is yung operating temperature at that moment. Dun sa na-operate na natin, which is 0.23 na yung resistance niya. Okay. So, medyo, kung titignan nyo, medyo parang kulang yung given, no? So, dun papasok yung tinatawag nating inferred absolute temperature nung material natin. Okay? So, kung titignan natin, yung material natin is copper field winding. So, copper siya. So, dapat alam natin yung constant or yung approximate inferred absolute temperature ng copper natin. So, ang value nun is 234.5 degrees Celsius. So, ito yung magiging absolute inferred temperature natin. Tapos, note natin na itong absolute inferred temperature na to ng copper is at 20 degrees Celsius. So, at 20 degrees Celsius ito. Okay? So, next. So, kung meron na tayong data na to, so, ang magiging assume natin or yung assumption natin is yung initial temperature natin is 20 degrees Celsius. Tapos, dun ngayon tayo mag-work around para makuha yung operating temperature after natin i-operate yung DC machine natin. Okay? So, we have here formula for resistance. R2 over R1 is equal to T plus T2 over T plus T1. So, itong R2, final resistance, R1, initial resistance, T2, final temperature, T1, initial temperature, which is 20 degrees Celsius. So, importante na alam natin yung inferred absolute temperature ng mga materials natin. Okay? So, for copper, 234.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so next. So ngayon, substitute na natin yung mga values. 0.23 over 0.2 equals T natin for copper, 234.5. Tapos 234.5 ulit plus, so T2 yun yung hinahanap, and yung T1 natin is 20 degrees Celsius. So ngayon, hanapin na natin yung T2. So, T2 is equal to, so kung ima-manual natin ito, so we have 0.23. So, pakita ko kung paano siya makukuha. So, kailangan nating ma-isolate tong T2. So, 0.23 over 0.2 equals, so multiply ngayon natin both sides by 234.5 plus 20 para matanggal tong nasa baba. So, multiply by 20, okay? So, 234.5 plus 20 is 254.5. So, multiply natin both sides by 254.5. Ngayon, makakancel na to. So, matitira is ito na lang, nasa taas. So, 254.5 times 0.23 over 0.2 equals 234.5 plus T2. Ngayon, para ma-isolate natin tong T2, subtract natin both sides by 234.5. Yan. Minus 234.5. Yan. So, 254.5 times 0.23 over 0.2 minus 234.5 is equal to 234.5 minus 234.5, 0 na yun. So, 0 plus T2 is just T2. So, ang T2 ngayon natin is what? $254.5 times 0.23 over 0.2 minus 234.5. Ang sagot is 58.175 degrees Celsius. So, ang sagot natin for this problem is letter B, 58.2 degrees Celsius. So with that, thank you sa pakikinig and panonood. Bye guys!